So when you first get into the house, this is the generator. It tells you there's 384 hours already used. To start the generator, press start and hold for a few seconds. See, the button is solid. Now the generator is on. It takes 30 seconds.
Sometimes more than that. Sometimes you have to really hold it for a good 5-10 seconds sometimes to get it to go.
Yeah. And then once you have the generator, it doesn't have 120 electricity right away. It takes a little bit time, maybe 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Now, see, now the lights is on, the microwave lights is on, the coffee, everything is on. But it takes about 30 seconds to a minute for the electricity to come up. To stop the generator, just press the stop button. And we talk about the sliders. That's a separate video. Over here, you can check the battery. It's full. Fresh water, it's empty. Black water, which is the drain of only toilet water, it has 1/3. You normally don't empty it until it's 2/3, at least 2/3 to start thinking about emptying it. Don't empty it when it's low. And gray water is empty. These are this. This is the tank heaters for gas. Oh, this is the tank heaters for winter time. You want your tank to be warm, press this. This is the water pump. See, now the water pump is on. But you can also turn off here, or you can turn off outside. There's also a 3-way water pump button outside. This is when you want to use water heater by propane. We almost never use it because we want to save the propane for heat. And then this is the electricity water heater. When the RV is winterized, you don't want to turn on any of these because it's heating an empty tank.